Hello everyone, I am Sunita Rawat, Faculty of Computer Science. I welcome you all to the official YouTube channel SRN International School. In this video, I am going to discuss the topic computer system. A computer is an electronic device that can be programmed to accept data, that is, input, process it and generate result. A computer along with additional hardware and software together is called a computer system. It is a set of integrated devices that input, process it, and generate result, but it stores the data and information. The components of computer systems are central processing unit or CPU, input unit, output unit, storage. Central processing unit. The CPU gives instruction and data through the programs. The CPU stores the data as well as instruction in its local memory called registers. It fetches the program and data from the memory and performs arithmetic and logical operation as per the given instruction and store the result back to the memory. Arithmetic logic unit. It performs all the arithmetic and logic operation that needs to be done as per the instruction in a program. Control unit controls the sequential instruction execution, interprets instruction and guides data flow through the computer's memory. Arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and logical operations include any operation that manipulate Boolean values. Boolean values are either true or false. Input unit. The input unit of computer feeds data to CPU or memory. Input devices convert the input data into a digital form that is acceptable by the computer system. Some examples of input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, touchscreen, etc. Output unit. It can only accept data input from a user or output data generated by a computer. The device that receives data from a computer system for display physical production, that is called output device. For example, monitor, projector, headphones, speaker, printer, etc. A computer system needs memory to store the data and instruction for processing. It uses binary number to store and process data. The binary digits 0 and 1, which are the basic units of memory, are called bits. Further, these bits are grouped together to form words. There are two types of memories. First one is primary memory and second one is secondary memory. Primary memory. Program and data are loaded into the primary memory before processing. First one is random access memory and RAM, read-only memory, ROM. The CPU interacts directly with the primary memory to perform read or write operations. Secondary memory. Secondary memory is where programs and data are stored or kept on a long-term basis. Common secondary storage devices are the hard disk and optical disk. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.